Hey everyone! Did you know that over 1.5 billion people around the world are learning English right now? That's a staggering number, right? But here's the kicker, only about 20% actually become fluent. Crazy, huh? Today, we're diving into an epic challenge, how to go from a complete beginner to fluent in English in just 6 months. Welcome to my channel. If you've ever dreamt of speaking English fluently, then this video is for you. We're going to tackle the challenge of achieving English fluency in just 6 months. It's not just a cool goal, it can open doors for personal growth, career opportunities, and make traveling way more fun. So let's get ready to embark on this journey together. Presentation of problem/challenge. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the common problems beginners face when learning English. First up, time. We all lead busy lives, right? Between work, school, and social obligations, finding time to practice can seem impossible. Then there's motivation. It's super easy to feel overwhelmed and want to give up, especially when it feels like progress is slow. And let's not forget resources. With so many apps, books, and courses out there, picking the right ones can feel like finding a needle in a haystack. These obstacles can make the journey feel daunting, but don't worry, because I've got a plan to tackle them head-on. Exploration/development. So, here's the step-by-step plan I'm going to follow over the next 6 months. First, daily practice is key. I'm committing to at least 30 minutes of English practice each day. This includes speaking, listening, reading, and writing. For speaking, I'll use language exchange apps to chat with native speakers. For listening, I'll dive into podcasts and YouTube channels that focus on English learning. Reading? I'm all about those easy novels and articles that interest me. And writing? I'll keep a journal in English to track my thoughts and progress. I'm also going to make use of online resources like Duolingo and BBC Learning English. They're fantastic for structured learning. And here's a tip, set small, achievable goals each week. Maybe it's learning 10 new words or mastering a specific tense. This way, you'll feel accomplished and motivated to keep going. Remember, consistency is everything. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a little success story. A few weeks into my practice, I had a breakthrough moment during a language exchange. I was chatting with a native speaker and realized I could express my thoughts without pausing every few seconds. I was actually holding a conversation. It felt amazing. This moment made me realize that rapid improvement is possible when you commit to the process. So, if I can do it, you can too. Exploration/development. Alright, let's dive into the 20 sentences that you can practice daily. These sentences are not just random, they're super useful for everyday conversations. 1. How are you? A classic opener. 2. Can you help me? Perfect for asking for assistance. 3. I don't understand. A must-know for when you're lost. 4. Where is the bathroom? Essential for any traveler. 5. I would like to order food. Use this when you're at a restaurant. 6. What time is it? Great for making small talk. 7. I'm learning English. Share your journey. 8. Could you repeat that, please? Helps when you need clarification. 9. I love this song/movie, bond over shared interests. 10. What do you think about? Engage others in conversation. 11. I'm sorry. Important for polite interactions. 12. That sounds great, show enthusiasm in conversations. 13. I have a question. Perfect for classroom settings. 14. I need some time to think. It's okay to take a moment. 15. What is your name? A simple way to introduce yourself. 16. How was your day? A wonderful way to show interest. 17. Where are you from? Connect over backgrounds. 18. I enjoy reading/watching movies. Share your hobbies. 19. Can we meet again? Build on new friendships. 20. Thank you for your help, always appreciate others. Practice these sentences daily, and before you know it, they'll become second nature. Use them in your conversations and watch your confidence grow. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a success story. Meet Sarah, a beginner who decided to follow this method. 6 months ago, she could barely string together a sentence in English. But she committed to practicing these 20 sentences every day. Fast forward to today, and she's confidently chatting with native speakers, watching her favorite shows without subtitles, and even giving presentations at work. Sarah's story shows that with dedication and the right practice, fluency is totally achievable. Conclusion/summary. To wrap it all up, mastering English in 6 months is possible. By practicing these 20 daily sentences consistently, you can overcome common challenges like vocabulary retention and speaking confidence. Remember, consistency is your best friend on this journey. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, here's the challenge. Throughout this quiz, you'll be asked to identify the correct usage of different English sentences. This means we'll be diving into grammar and sentence structure, so it's a great chance to brush up on your skills. Each sentence will pop up on the screen, and I'll give you a few seconds to think about your answer. Ready? Let's jump in. Exploration/development. Here we go with the first sentence. I have went to the store. Take a moment to think about it. Got your answer? The correct form is I have gone to the store. Remember, it's gone, not when in this perfect tense. Next up, she don't like chocolate. What do you think? The right answer is she doesn't like chocolate. It's all about using the correct form of do here. Let's move on to sentence 3. He plays soccer every Saturday. This one's straightforward. How'd you do? Correct. That sentence is spot on. For sentence 4, they was excited for the game. Take a second. The correct answer is they were excited for the game. Remember, was is for singular subjects. Okay, sentence 5, they're going to the concert tonight. What's your answer? You got it. It should be they're going to the concert tonight. On to sentence 6, me and him went to the park. Think about it. The proper way is he and I went to the park. Always put others before yourself. Sentence 7 reads, this is the bestest pizza I ever had. What do you think? The correct version is this is the best pizza I've ever had. Bestest isn't a real word, folks. For sentence 8, she can sings really well. Take a moment. The right answer is she can sing really well. Can is followed by the base form of the verb. Now we're at sentence 9, if I was you, I would study harder. What's your take? The correct form is if I were you, I would study harder. A classic subjunctive case. And finally, sentence 10, I seen that movie last week. What do you think? The right answer is I saw that movie last week. Remember, saw is the past tense of see, climax/key moment. Now, let's highlight the most surprising sentence. Sentence 7, this is the bestest pizza I ever had, is a real eye-opener because many people use bestest informally. But remember, it's not considered standard English. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you were surprised by this one. Conclusion/summary. Alright, let's recap what we covered today. We went through 10 sentences, and I hope you learned something new about proper sentence structure and grammar. It's crucial to have a solid understanding of these rules as they help you communicate clearly in English. Call to action, CTA. So, how did you do on the quiz? Comment below and let me know how many you got right. And if you're looking for more English practice, don't forget to check out my other videos. There's plenty more where this came from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. End of script.